Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Tech World. Today I will show you how to translate our language, one language to another language. Uh, it is very easy to translate any language in online. You can easily use Google for translating your language, but if you want to read a hard copy which is not in your local language, then how can you translate that script? So it is very easy. You can translate this hard copy with your smartphone. For this you need to go to Chrome browser, or you need a apps Google Lens. You can easily download Google Lens app from your app store. Just write here Google Lens, and you just install this app, and using this app we will translate a hard copy. So I installed this app in my phone, and now I'm going to use this app. Here is my app Lens. When you open, then click your camera icon. Now I'm going to translate a Tamil script to Bengali. For this you need to set your desired translating language. For this you will go here, click in translate. Here you just select this language. I select here I want to get my result in Bengali, and you select to your desired language. So okay, now I'm going to show you how it works. Here this is a Tamil script. Now it's translate into Bengali. In Bengali it's written আজ সারাদিন বৃষ্টি হচ্ছে তাই বাইরে যেতে কষ্ট হচ্ছে. Okay, now here in my hand another script it is in Arabic. And it's translated into Bengali. Here written আজ একটি খুব সুন্দর দিন. In my hand there's another script. It is written in Hindi, and now it's translated into Bangla. আজ একটি খুব সুন্দর দিন. And it's written in English. Now it's translate into Bengali. চলো সবাই কোথাও বেড়াতে যাই. And it is in Chinese language. সারাদিন বৃষ্টি হওয়ায় বের হওয়া কঠিন হয়ে পড়ে. And it is in Italian language. So it is very easy. Now I'm going to show you here is in front of me the English newspaper. I'm going to translate this newspaper by using this app. Here this is in English. Now it's translated into Bengali. It's totally translated into Bengali. So it's a very nice app. You can find this feature in your Chrome browser. For this you need to go to your Chrome browser, and here you see a camera icon. You just simply click here, click this camera icon. Now select your desired language, to translate. Here is it in Bengali, and now it's translate to Bengali. So okay, thank you very much for watching this video. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe my channel. Okay, Allah Hafiz.